you're stomping so loud?
Going on the ground.
Who do you think will win the crown? Is it candidate number 2 or candidate number 1? Gathering an average score of 98.66%. Our Miss DMCFI 2019 is... Just to tell you guys, ang lamang lang po ng score po nila ay .66. You heard it right. .66. May 7 ang labanan.
And what's amazing is that they are both high school students.
Yeah.
It's junior high school versus senior high school this year.
Basic education rocks. Huwag natin panagalin. Our Miss DMCFI 2019 is candidate number... Candidate number 2! Ladies and gentlemen, our first runner-up is junior high school. And the DMCFI is from the junior high school, Samantha Velasquez. And of course, the crown to be given by our